Okay, no idea. Container to that view function. Okay, this gets a stream. It renders some text and puts that text in the stream and then yields the stream object. So, I mean, this is a file stream that gets opened up here, right? Open file and exit. Bench. Lots of stuff there. Whoa. That's lots of stuff. Lots of recursion going on there. Okay, well, this is a dangerous part about this. Okay, did that kill the server? Seems like it did. Restart this. Still 500 error, but I should still have the debugging code in index, so maybe we can see what that is. No, I don't, because I'm silly. Server set error handler. It's quite a thing of hubris to think that we can just delete the debugging code. It's not like we're ever going to need it again. It's kind of hilarious, actually. It's going to break all the time. Could not open file. That's at least more helpful than 500 error. So, resources, views, bench. What am I doing wrong? And feel free to chime in anytime, chat. You know, burning baskets or whatever. I'm sure something's going wrong here. What did previous versions of this do? Don't make me go back to the help docs. Icicle. File system. Of course I'm going to go back to the help docs. What do I know about fixing this thing? Trusty old test PHP will tell us what to do. Don't you worry. Okay, file is file open. File read? No, we don't need to do that. Maybe we need to do dir name here. Dir name. Yeah, burn all those baskets, man. This is how it's going down. I didn't need to refresh GitHub. What am I doing? I can probably echo this debugging code out as well. No such file or directory. What's going on? I'm having a moment here. Because this path is right. Correct. This path is correct. Resources, views, bench.php. Am I going crazy? Close all this stuff. Close all this stuff. Go back to routes and check here. So, file open. This directory that routes is in, down into resources, down into views, open bench.php. Well. I don't know what's wrong. Oops 404. That loads. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to delete this file. Who needs that file? It's so stupid. Hello world. Hello world. Explain to me why a file of exactly the same name didn't load until I deleted it and recreated it. Whatever. Okay. run the server, and do some Apache Bench against it. What happened there? Okay, so that seems to be a bit of a problem. Let's put this in a try catch. And for this, we will just have a 500 error because we want this to really freak out. And stream is container get stream and yield stream end. Remember that, because I remembered that yield this time. Okay, load this again. Error. Too many open files. What are our processes doing? This is actually painful. Having to debug this stuff is painful. Okay, so what I think is happening is that this is executing so fast now that it's trying to open too many of these at the same time. Please read file photo? What? I think what's happening is that this is just being executed too many times. It's I don't really know what to do about that, to be honest. Like if we cache this thing here, right? We call this bench. And here we just load bench. I don't even think we'll need to have this try catch here anymore. I think it'll just work. But this is cheaty, right? This is cheaty because this circumvents. It needs to be in a function. Oh, this is amazing. This is really good. This is really good. I'm learning things. You feel like you're learning things? Damn you! Semicolon. I'm gonna get so salty now. I'm so over this not working. Unexpected load bench. No, it's not. It's not that problem. It's this here. So that function. Oh! I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong. This isn't PHP 7. Okay. If I go to /bench, it loads after a while. Okay. with fewer errors. Include stream failure exception too many open files again. Okay, I think it's still a case of getting too many streams. It's not failing at the EIO level, it's just doing this too many times. If we drop the concurrency here, let's load this again, and drop the concurrency to 5. It should be more stable because it's not trying to open as many at the same time. However, it may also serve fewer requests. And it kind of sucks because we don't want this to be as... No, you know... Great, well our server can withstand a concurrency of 1. And not much more. I wonder if it will serve more requests in general. It's a good thing this is drink. Previous count was 8,500 in a minute. Will this do better? Probably not. The concurrency worries me though. This is obviously the setup that I've got here is not stable enough. 9,000. Well, it's beat the previous stuff. It's the same number of requests a second, it's just more of them. How does that work? Well, I guess it's not that much more. But the time per request is really small for compared to the previous stuff, right? And there are a lot of failed requests. What? Why are there so many failed requests? That's horrible. Okay, let's not open any streams to this. Wow, what am I clicking on? Okay, let's not open any streams. Well, we have to open a stream, right? Container, get stream, real stream. Is this still going to give me the same stream error that I had before? Do I need to compose an update or something, and hopefully there's a fix to this? This is very disheartening, actually. Very disheartening. Nothing. Dead simple. Couldn't be simpler. Back this connection up to 15. Yeah, I know, right? Compared to before. Yeah, it's all failed requests. I don't get that. The only reason it's not tanking the server is because I put that set exception handler stuff, I commented that stuff out. But this is already much, much faster. Opening that file is what's causing this problem. We absolutely have to come up with a better way to do this. Like this is Thanks for the maths on that, Greg. Made me feel real bad. I'm interested at requests a second, not reading that file. I want to see what it's like not reading that file. Hopefully it's not like thousands of failed requests. And also, this is high concurrency again, right? Making the memory stream doesn't seem to be the problem, it's the file stream. It's almost like we need to load the source for the templates for this application into memory. Somehow, right? Like get a cache going. Or, well, I guess memory. I guess you could put it in memory because it's one server process, right? Like